Hello, this is Flytigercnc Shanghai focused on CNC machining service. Recently, we upgraded some of our products recurrent rings, and we have more different kinds of recurrent rings for our customers' choice. And today we're gonna introduce it.
Yes. Okay.
And the first one, I'll show these recurrent rings. And this is the common ones in the, like some other products in the market.
Yes.
But still it is different.
Yes.
It may look similar, but we have some details in it.
Yes,
and
yes.
Simon, could you please tell us?
Okay. The normal market, the thickness just 30 millimeter, but ours is 34.
You mean this thickness?
Yeah, this thickness. Okay. And this board, the width.
Width.
Yeah, width. The width is more larger than others. Yes. So our quality, our work loading better than others. Okay.
I think it is very important because most of these products they are used for like off-road.
Yes.
Lovers.
Yes.
And then the second one, I'll show you this one. And this one is a little like the previous one,
Yes.
but it is different. Maybe in the camera, you may not see very clear, but actually it is, when you see in your hand, it is really different. Like this one, the common one, the edge, it is a little sharp, you can see. And this one, the edge, it is very round and smooth.
Yes.
It feels very smooth.
And soft.
Soft, not so smooth. It
Yeah,
is
okay.
very smooth
Okay.
here. Yeah. And we also have some other different designs.
Yes.
Except for those two different recurrent rings, we also have some other recurrent rings. Later, I'll introduce it.
Yes.
And before to tell the other recurrent rings, we will. I like to share why we would do so many different kinds of recurrent rings, and even now we are still researching it for more different kinds of recurrent rings.
Yes.
Because we found in the market there are not so many different recurrent rings for our customers to choose from. Like if you search on the internet, you could mostly find this normal one. Yeah, and the thickness is even not thicker than ours.
Yes.
The quality may be just so-so.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. But we want to help our clients to build their own brand. Yeah. Because I think the market could be this area could be do better.
Yeah.
So in those months, our engineers, designer, and sales, we just have a lot of meetings and want to discuss what kind of upgrades can we make.
Correct.
Yeah, and maybe we can provide the better quality or more designs, or even we can accept the designs or creativity create from our customers. Like if our customers, you have your own ideas and you want to make it true, and we can help you.
Yes, we could design it for you, and you could do the design for us as well.
Because we have a lot of experience in it, and we have our own factory. So and we have experienced engineers. So even if you don't know how to maybe draw a 3D design, we can help you.
Oh yes.
Okay. Like this one. This one, the surface, it is different than the traditional normal one. This one, the surface, it is a conveyor surface. It is not the traditional one like plate.
Yes.
And it is very special, like an artwork. So I like it very much, and I think most ladies would like it.
Yes.
It's very cool. And also, you can choose any colors you like. You can tell that maybe you can see we have so different colors.
Yes, gold.
And you can also have your own colors if you like others, like gold, silver, or some others.
Yes.
And finally, you can introduce
like this one. We make the styles debossed styles. Your logo could engrave around here. Yes. And this one we make the two floor, and this one why we make the two floors, because the first floor you could engrave your logo and some details on it, sizes and others. And the second floor, you could engrave your WhatsApp, your email, your Instagram, and your Facebook, and so on. So this is the fifth style. Okay.
Okay, so for those different kinds of coverings, maybe your clients they would easy to find what they want.
Yes.
And what they like.
Yes. If you would like the soft charcoal, and we could put it as well, and your logo will printing here. Yes, and the size is suited for our
Charcoal.
yeah. It's very easy. Okay. So Stephanie, the material.
Okay.
What's the material? Okay.
To tell those coverings materials, now we have two different materials for you to choose. The one that is aluminium 6061, another one is aluminium 7075.
Yes. If you would like to get other more information, please send our email. Okay. And we hope to could give you any suggestion or other things.
Yeah.
Okay.
To warm the world with machinery.
Yes.
Okay. See you.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye.